Meteorologist Tony Manolfi. Tony, I kind of personally enjoy this kind of nice little gray. It's not hot, it's not cold, It's a little cool. You get a little breeze here and there.
Well, Jesse, that window, as you know, is short here in Florida, so enjoy it while you have it.
Yeah.
Let me take you back outside, young man, right now. I want to show you what it looks like up at the square. And as you can see, those clouds have cleared out, and the temperatures are very, very comfortable out there right now. 71 up in Ocala. We work our way over towards the coast. Titusville 70. St. Cloud, you're coming in at about 74 degrees. So we've got this one little disturbance that's riding on in tonight, tomorrow. That may bring us a couple of showers, but the bigger uncertainty is what's going to be happening with this big storm system there along the west coast. Models today still trying to figure out what's going to happen this weekend. In the short run, moisture ahead of this front, which will kind of drop on in tomorrow into the first half of Friday, will bring even more clouds and the risk for a couple of isolated showers. Nothing significant, but we'll have to watch that again for the races Thursday and Friday. As we take a look now at Futurecast, notice the winds here through 9 o'clock. These are the gusts in that 10 to 20 mile an hour range. So we'd have to watch that if something were to spark on up. Let's take a look now at Ocala's 12-hour forecast. You can see overnight tonight some patchy fog developing, and the models did pick up on that. Overnight low temperatures here pretty much area wide will be running in the mid 50s. So the front's up north, drops south as we go through the day tomorrow. A lot of clouds, a couple of showers, could be a few sprinkles the first half of the day up in Daytona, but I think as it drops southward, the main energy will focus in the metro areas. The question, though, behind it with that onshore flow, is that going to be enough to trigger a couple of showers for the race on Friday? And that's one of the things we're going to be watching. Let's take a look now at Futurecast here during the day tomorrow. You can see a couple of isolated showers up north. Again, maybe a little bit more organized rain from the metro area on south. Notice as we head into the evening, skies actually clearing on out over towards the track there. So some good news there going forward. Now, when we take a look at Futurecast here, you can see not a whole lot of rain. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon ranging from 67 in Palm Coast to 77 there on into Winter Haven. The big difference there because of the onshore flow and water temperatures off the coast there at Flagler County running in the upper 50s. So Daytona Friday 70s, Saturday 74, Sunday we're in that warm sector. We're going to shoot up into the upper 70s, more the same there for Ocala with some late day showers arriving in both Daytona and up towards Ocala. So big differences again. You can see the onshore flow today, both the models picking up on some coastal showers here, but the main energy, so to speak, arrives as we get into Sunday evening, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock on the Euro. The GFS still a little bit slower there, and quite coincidentally does not have as much rain as it did yesterday, which I find hard to believe since it's a little bit slower. We'll watch the trends on both the models there. Still a lot to figure on out. Now we have a Track Shack race here on the 14th there, Valentine's Day, 59, 63, 65, looking pretty good. United Rentals 300, an isolated shower too along the coast with that onshore flow, and then we'll be watching the radar. We think that there will be some rain arriving late in the day, and that could be enough to impact the race. We'll be fine-tuning that from here in on. Let's take a look at those temperatures there. You can see 81 on Sunday. Things clear out Monday afternoon. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going right back into the 80s.